Did you know that a simple spice found in your kitchen cabinet could hold the key to combating inflammation? Turmeric, the golden spice that gives curry its vibrant color, has been treasured for its medicinal properties for over 4,000 years. Originating from India, this remarkable root has been a staple in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda, revered for its ability to address a wide range of health concerns. Beyond its culinary uses, turmeric's true power lies in its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, primarily attributed to its active compound, curcumin. Turmeric's vibrant yellow color comes from curcumin, a natural polyphenol that gives the spice its remarkable healing properties. Curcumin acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your body from damaging free radicals that contribute to inflammation and various chronic diseases. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, curcumin helps to maintain cellular health and reduce oxidative stress, promoting overall well-being. Inflammation, while a natural response to injury and infection, can become problematic when it persists chronically. Chronic inflammation is a silent threat, lurking within our bodies and contributing to various health issues, including heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. This is where curcumin steps in as a formidable ally in the fight against inflammation. Curcumin works its magic by effectively blocking inflammatory pathways, reducing the production of pro-inflammatory molecules that trigger pain, swelling, and redness. This remarkable ability to modulate the inflammatory response makes curcumin a valuable natural remedy for a wide range of inflammatory conditions. Studies have shown its efficacy in alleviating pain and stiffness in people with osteoarthritis, a degenerative joint disease characterized by inflammation. While turmeric powder is widely available and easily incorporated into various dishes, chewing on a small piece of raw turmeric offers a more direct and potent way to experience its benefits. When you chew raw turmeric, the active compounds are released more readily, allowing for better absorption into your bloodstream. This direct contact with your oral tissues can also provide localized benefits for gum health and oral hygiene. Chewing raw turmeric stimulates saliva production, which aids digestion and helps to cleanse the mouth. Beyond its anti-inflammatory prowess, turmeric boasts a range of health benefits. Studies suggest that curcumin may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a potential natural aid for managing type 2 diabetes. Additionally, research indicates that curcumin's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties may have protective effects against certain types of cancer, although more human studies are needed to confirm these findings. Adding turmeric to your diet is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your health. You can easily incorporate turmeric powder into your cooking, adding it to soups, stews, curries, and even smoothies. Golden milk, a warm beverage made with turmeric, ginger, and your choice of milk, has become increasingly popular for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. For a more concentrated dose of curcumin, consider supplementing with turmeric extracts standardized for their curcumin content. To boost absorption, consume turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound that enhances curcumin's bioavailability. Whether you prefer the earthy flavor of raw turmeric or find creative ways to incorporate it into your meals, embracing this golden spice can be a delicious and impactful step towards a healthier you.